Yo, another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and back in the Bay Area, skateboarding in Oakland right now. I'm back on my boosted board. I'm loving this. This morning was definitely a chilly morning. I gotta get back used to this cold, breezy Bay Area weather. I'm looking for this place called Hella Vegan Eats. It's like around here in this area somewhere. I think I just passed it. But they have really good food, and I haven't had waffles for a very long time, so let's go hit up Hella Vegan Eats, grab a bite to eat really fast, and then go explore Oakland. Let's just go do random stuff in Oakland. I was originally gonna drive this weekend. I showed up to the airport at like 3 p.m. on Friday, and I went over to Maven to go pick up a Chevy Bolt, and for some reason they closed early, so I wasn't able to get a car, and it's the weekend now. So I guess I'm just gonna skate, take it easy, and then just pick up another car tomorrow, Monday. But anyway, yo, let's get this video started. Already back to this life, charging the boosted board. I am number 18. Can't wait to have some vegan waffles with vegan fried chicken. All right, here we go. We got these the vegan fried chicken here with the waffle. This let's make this disappear. Check that out. Yummy. Oh wow, there's a Tennessee license plate. Out of Hella Vegan Eats now, and man, those people there are not the friendliest people in the world. The food was decent. It was very delicious. It definitely hit the spot. I'm gonna go off to the swap meet because I haven't been to the swap meet for a while because I've been out of town. And then I'm gonna go grab some pistachios. That's just one thing on the list. And a charger for my boosted remote. I stored my boosted board with Omni. They lost the boosted board charger, and they also lost the charger to the remote. I actually have another charger, but I won't be able to get to it before this thing dies. So I'm gonna go to the swap meet and see if I can find one of these old small micro USB chargers. It's pretty much what I got planned now. Kind of reminds me of some of those sales I went to around the world. Same stuff, different location. Cool. Just left the swap meet now, and what did I buy? I bought this charger for the boosted board remote. This is actually a really good deal. I only paid $1 for this charger. Now if I would have went to one of those little cell phone stands, they probably would have charged me like $5 or $6. How you find stuff at swap meets for super cheap, it's all about who you buy it from. So I bought this charger from a guy who was selling TVs, and he just had a couple random chargers out, and I just asked, oh, how much? He says $1. $1 is like super cheap versus $5. And I also got a bag of pistachios. These are usually like $5 at the swap meet for some reason. I believe these are like, maybe they're like markdowns from like CVS or Walgreens or one of those big box, one of those big stores. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, let's keep cruising. Let's yeah, I'm actually gonna get ready to go to the city soon, so let's skate. goes the belt. Cool, let's go to the city. Let's change the belt on Bart, yo. There it is there. Cool, I have 7 minutes before this next train arrives going to SFO or to San Francisco. So I think I'm just gonna stop here and switch out the belts really fast. Okay, right now I'm just getting back to normal life, getting back in the swing of things, just at Starbucks now, editing a video, working on a video, just had some chips. I've already finished my water, charging my phone. This is my problem I'm having. This is not the correct plug for this country. No, it's not, but I can't find my American plug. So meanwhile, I guess I'll have to use my iPad Pro charger just like so, just like this, charging up the Boosted 2, getting back to that charge life, yo. Right now it's 4:18 p.m. and it's already getting dark. Already getting dark. Like that's no time. What happened to the day? So since it's dinner time, looks like homeboy Jermaine's gonna do some deliveries for about an hour or so, make some quick cash, and then I don't know, see where the day goes from there. Caviar's got some pretty good bonuses tonight. The bonuses are complete 2 deliveries and you get a $9 bonus, and that's between 4:30 8:30 p.m. So hopefully I can cross my fingers I can knock out at least 2 deliveries an hour, because that's not bad. That's not bad money, if not 3 deliveries an hour. How is this traffic doing right now? Believe it or not, traffic's not that bad. It's still early. I imagine around 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, there's less traffic out on the roads. Man, Caviar is hooking it up tonight. At first, I accepted 1 order. Then a batch order popped up, but the other order was going the opposite direction, so I let that one go by. Then another batch order popped up, pretty much the same price, but this order is going in the direction of the first item. So now I started off at $10, and then they gave me the second batch, so it was worth $15, and then they gave me the third batch. Kind of rare to pick up 3 things from one restaurant at one time. The third batch just popped up. Now I'm up to $19, but also remember, you get $9 for every 2 deliveries that you do. Hopefully it takes me less than 1 hour to knock out all 3 of these. I think it should take like 45 minutes actually, which is really good, not bad. Really good, not bad. What a day, what a day, what a day. Definitely got this video started off super late with deliveries, but you know, I didn't exactly plan to do deliveries all day, but it was still a really, really good day. I was able to knock out $143.07. Not bad, just jumping right back into the swing of things, and just, you know, getting used to that and this cold weather. I gotta get used to this cold weather. I'm used to wearing hats like all the time to cover up my head, but now since I got all this stuff on my head, I don't really want to wear a hat, so I just gotta get used to the cold. And that's pretty much what I got going on now. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Just dropped off the rental car, and now I am ready to go and just chill, go do other things. Oh yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Who knows what your homeboy Jermaine will be doing. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out, yo.